Welcome to our channel. Ready for YouTube partnership? Follow these steps to meet requirements and complete the monetization verification process. Step 1. Reach 1,000 subscribers milestone. Build your channel to minimum subscriber requirement for partner program. Step 2. Accumulate 4,000 watch hours. Achieve this within the past 12 months from public videos. Step 3. Enable two-step verification. Secure your Google account with two-factor authentication before applying. Step 4. Access YouTube Studio Monetization tab. Once eligible, the Apply button becomes available in Monetization section. Step 5. Review and accept partner program terms. Read and agree to YouTube Partner Program Agreement carefully. Step 6. Sign up for Google AdSense. Connect or create AdSense account for receiving monetization payments. Step 7. Set monetization preferences. Choose ad formats and placements for your videos once approved. Step 8. Wait for review completion. YouTube reviews applications within 1 month typically, checking for policy compliance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.